Ooh, that's aggressive. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and it is a lovely, lovely day. Got some overcast, so I don't have the sun beating down on me. And it's been a little bit, so I'm happy to be here on the channel. I am doing my first impression ride of the Kingbull Hunter. So I have it in pedal assist 1, and it's going 11.9, almost 12 miles per hour. And actually, it kind of takes off. Let me stop real quick. I'm not going to use the throttle, I'm just going to pedal, so you guys kind of see how quickly it takes off. Ugh. All right, come on, you can do it. There we go. So it gets up there fairly quickly, not bad. Got palm rests, which I like those. Let's see, pedal assist 2. No throttle, just pedaling. Gets up to about 16 miles per hour. And pedal assist 3, getting it up to about 20 miles per hour. And I'll probably leave it there for now because I'm still in the neighborhood. And the speed here is 25 miles per hour. So I'm gonna behave myself a little bit. Let's see, let's pull over right here. That's a pretty little fence. I'm gonna borrow the neighbor's fence over here. It's got this wall of bushes. Alrighty. So I don't know anything about this bike, don't know any of the specs. Just know that it looks nice. I like the color. I think white is a very nice neutral color if you don't want to be too flashy. Yeah, got these big old tires. I think those might be 3-inch tires, but they've got that knobby pattern on them, so I could definitely do some off-roading. Got your battery here. You got your saddle. Oh, there. I was wrong. These are 4-inch tires, not 3-inch. That's okay. So, alright. So far I like it. I like the way it looks. I like that I have some suspension forks here that can be, they can be adjusted. Let's see, what else? Oh, the battery. You have to turn it on in order to turn the bike on. So that's a little something to keep in mind. Got a working tail light here in the back. I like it. Ooh, Ron forgot something. Good thing, because this is one of my favorite parts of assembling a bike. Alright. So let's see. Overall, first impression, I like that it's got some pick up and go. I do like the 4-inch tires. Those are nice for off-roading. I don't do a lot of off-roading, but I like having the option to do some off-roading. It definitely handles very nicely. I don't have any issues handling it. You can tell it's a little heavy, but not unmanageable. The saddle's a little uncomfortable, but that's okay. It's because here on eBike Reviews and Adventures, we're used to the Blue Wind saddles. But it's not the worst saddle I've ever sat on either. It's not It's not comfortable, but it's not uncomfortable either, if that makes sense. I just wouldn't want to ride on this for 3 hours. I could probably ride about 30 minutes on this saddle. Not bad. The motor's a little loud. Other than that, I can't say there's anything negative to really say about the bike at this time. And this is just my first impression ride anyways, so I would hope that I'd have nothing negative to say about it. It'll give me a little bit more time to get a feel for this bike, get acquainted with it, take him out on his first date. That's basically what I'm doing right now. Nobody's coming. Gonna hit this little country road so I can get it up to speed. So pedal assist 4. Pedaling only, it's getting up to about 24 miles per hour. And then pedal assist 5, it's about 27. I'm doing a lot of ghost pedaling too, by the way. Okay. So I got it up to about 28 miles per hour. But I was definitely having to pedal kind of fast to get up there because I was ghost pedaling. Don't like the ghost pedaling too much. But you know what I do like? I like donkeys. Yeah, I like donkeys. Hi. Hello. Hello. You're cute. Yeah, a little ear twitch. It's cute. It rained again yesterday, so there's like little puddles of water everywhere. Kind of obnoxious. Huh. Yeah. Obnoxious. Alright, so I think that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, this is my first impression video, so I don't know any of the specs. Don't know much about this bike. I did just learn that it gets up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist 5, and it does ghost pedaling. The ghost pedaling is not the end of the world, but you know, a little bit of ghost pedaling. It handles well. I like the 4-inch tires, so I could do a little bit of off-roading. Don't have anywhere nearby where I could do some off-roading to test out the suspension forks, but that's okay. So far, I will give this bike, I'd say an 8 out of 10. Just because there's always room for improvement, and I do want to get well acquainted with this bike. We will be doing the full review here in about a week, so look forward to that. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give me a big old thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, got the comment section down below. And as always, please ride responsibly and ride safe. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.